Hello guys, this is daisyiyeh. I am a nutritionist and an educator, and I love to call myself the nutrition simplicity queen. So I was going through Instagram and I stumbled on this profile that is encouraging people to boost their iron levels by cooking with what they call the iron fish, which helps people increase the level of iron in their food. Okay, I love the fact that they're trying to get people to eat, have more iron in their food. But like I tell people, when you see things on Instagram, when you see content on social media, you need to understand the environment that content has been created for. So if you're someone who cooks their food on their own, eats a lot of wholesome foods, and eats less processed stuff, this video or this page does not concern you. Okay, but let's talk about iron. Right, iron is an essential nutrient, which means that you have to get it from your food. Iron is responsible for the production of red blood cells in your body. Now, the red blood cells help carry oxygen from your lungs to your other body tissues, and this oxygen that they carry to your body tissues is called hemoglobin. If you have low iron levels in your body, you stand the risk of developing iron deficiency anemia. Now, people with iron deficiency anemia usually feel tired, they experience shortness of breath, they could have brittle nails, they could have pale skin. In children and infants, it manifests as poor appetite. Some people experience inflammation and soreness in their tongue. Some people are dizzy all the time, they have headaches, and their heartbeat is really fast. Some other people have chest pain. All these are symptoms of iron deficiency anemia. Now, having said all this, where can we get iron from? We can get iron from three sources. The first source is from animal-based foods or products. So things like your red meat, your poultry, your chicken, your turkey, your fish, liver and organ meats, and things like your eggs. Okay, those are animal-based sources, and your body absorbs animal-based sources of iron easily. The second source is plant-based sources. Okay, so you're talking about your beans and your legumes, your dark leafy vegetables like ugu, like spinach and kale. You're talking about things like dried fruits, so raisins and apricots, but you need to be careful with dried fruits because the drying process of the fruits makes the sugar content higher. Okay, you have iron in things like your iron fortified cereals, your pasta, your quinoa, your nuts and your seeds. You have iron in peas, in fruits like apples, bananas, beetroot, and pomegranates. Now, the thing about plant-based sources of iron is that they are not easily absorbed by the body except you consume them with vitamin C. So vitamin C is another essential nutrient you need to eat with plant-based sources of iron to help your body absorb those sources of iron. And you can find vitamin C again in leafy greens, in broccoli, in your peppers, and in your citrus fruits. The third place where you can get iron or infuse iron into your meals is by cooking with cast iron pots or skillets. Okay, so when you cook with cast iron pots or skillets, they tend to infuse more iron into your meals. So you don't need an iron fish, you don't need to spend money on an iron fish, you don't even need to spend money on a cast iron pot. You can get iron from your food. So if this video has been helpful, if you've learned anything, please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, send me a question. If you need anything simplified in terms of nutrition, I'm your simplicity queen, and I'll come to you again next time with another interesting topic that I found on the internet. Bye guys.